A divorce in Texas is essentially two parties decide to split, and a court will divide the marital estate. So we'll decide who gets the house, how is the house divided, how are retirement and other assets divided, if there are children involved. If the two parties cannot decide for themselves, the court will decide who the children live with most of the time, how much child support is going to be ordered to be paid, and the visitation schedule. There are multiple grounds for divorce in Texas. It can include anything from adultery or cheating to cruelty if there's been family violence, for example, or just because the two parties can't get along anymore. Texas is a no-fault divorce state. You don't have to have a specific reason one can get divorced simply because they have irreconcilable differences. They no longer get along and they've decided that it's time to close that chapter. A divorce process in Texas, the length of time will depend. But what I do want to share is that Texas has a 60-day minimum waiting period. So from the moment we file for divorce, we have to wait at least 60 days before the court can finalize that divorce. Some divorces are resolved quickly right after the 60 days expires, or sometimes it takes a year or more. Just depends on the facts of your case. You can get divorced in Texas even if you've been married for a short amount of time, whether that's 1 day or 30 days. The law doesn't have a specific minimum length of time to be married. So if you know that this is not the relationship for you and it's time to close that chapter, then we can file as soon as you're ready. Regardless of where you got married, so long as your marriage in that country was a valid marriage, then you can get divorced in Texas. So you didn't need to get married here in Texas in order to file for divorce here.